with BTR at the SCTE Cable-Tec Expo 2016 in Philadelphia. I'm speaking with Elias Cagiannos. You're the Ciena MSO practice leader. Welcome, Eli.
Well, thank you very much. Thank you for having me.
So what does Ciena see as some of the current and future trends driving change in today's cable networks?
When you look at what we see from a trends perspective, you don't have to go much farther than the actual customer base that the MSOs are actually serving. So when you look at the average consumer, when you look at the average business entity that actually buys the services from the MSOs, they're looking for things like flexibility. They're looking for things like control over what the experience that they're actually experiencing. So whether it's content or any type of service that that the MSOs are delivering to them, they want to be able to control it. From a content perspective, as an example, they want to be able to see the content anywhere, see the content in 4K, beautiful, ultra-high definition. They want to be able to look at it on their PDAs, whether they're in the house or outside of the house. And that creates a massive amount of challenge for the MSO industry to develop a network, a next-generation network, that will actually be able to deliver that promise to their end users. So the trends that we're seeing are along those lines. An underlying theme, a lot of price compression. You're seeing a lot of competitors in this space now. So anything that we deliver, anything that the MSOs deliver to the end customers, they have to look at it from a cost perspective as they get more competitive. And another underlying theme that we're seeing is a lot more capacity, a lot more speed. Consumers are looking for that stuff, and frankly, to deliver the promise that the MSOs have out there as a market offer to the consumer, they need to create these very, very intense networks to be able to deliver that capability.
Interesting. Now, we are hearing all over the conference about how SDN and NFV are changing the game. What's your view?
Software is, well, we're all in. Software is absolutely going to be a massive building block of the next generation network, there's no doubt. And the MSOs right now are aggressively looking to either deploy or planning to deploy some type of software capability, whether it's it's NFV from a service perspective to the end customer, or it's automation in the network. Across the gamut, the cable companies are looking to deploy this. What's interesting from our perspective is this push right now to disaggregate the head ends, to take that functionality that's currently in the head ends and push it closer to the end customer. That requires a lot of software development, and it requires a lot of capacity in the network also, again, as we talked about the trends earlier, to deliver that capability that the consumer is looking for. Right. So we're very excited about that, and I feel like Ciena is right where it needs to be from a product perspective to be able to fulfill that promise.
Right, well, speaking of being excited, you have two products that scored extremely well with the Diamond Technology Review. Tell me about them.
Yeah, and it's an absolute thrill to be recognized, and we appreciate it very much, obviously. This isn't our first year, actually. Last year we were recognized for the 8700, which is our Ethernet over DWDM packet switch, and that's been a very successful product for us. This year, the two products are the Wave Server and the 3906 MVI, both products tailor-made for the MSO industry. From a Wave Server perspective, that is our 1RU DWDM product that basically was created originally for the data center interconnect space, but we're seeing its proliferation into the metros and into the long haul as well. As I mentioned before, when you're trying to drive capacity to that end customer and you're trying to manage costs at the same time, this product fits that need very, very well. From the packet perspective, the 3906 MVI is actually our NFV host product. So if you think about the MSOs and how they deploy Ethernet services right now, they're very successful in deploying Ethernet services. So we're providing them a tool that they can actually deploy an NFV host, a product that's ready to push software-enabled features and functionality right to the prem without having to go back out and deploy new products. So it's literally an Ethernet box with an x86 card in it so that you can download NFV functionality at a later date. So we're seeing some customers actually deploying it and seeding the market with it. And we're seeing other customers who are, will be deploying the 3906 and then at a later date deploying the card to be able to deliver those NFV services. So both very tailor-made for the MSO industry and the needs of this market.
Right. Very innovative and timely. And congratulations on your 2 Diamond stars.
Well, thank you very much. It's
thank
an honor.
you, Eli. Nice to speak with you.
Thank you very much. Nice meeting you.
I'm Anna Berry, BTR.